I'm a children.
Make sure they know you're yellow.
Yeah, good.
Hey, keep pushing left.
We want to keep one guy behind him, make sure nobody wraps around.
Hey, we need a striker over here. Lewis.
Hold up.
Go. He hit me.
Two down. Guy coming through the middle. Watch your windows. Watch it, watch it. Okay, they're coming around. Wait for it.
We got overrun on the left. Whoa! That side behind us, behind us.
I got three over here. Watch, we got guys coming from this guy. If you get an assault rifle over here, that'd be nice. Yep. Retreat, retreat.
Reloading, reloading.
Justin! He's running. Oh, gas, buddy. Back for it again, back for it again. We know where we are. Right around this corner. You see? See, guys?
Three guys, right here.
Oh, fuck. I'm out! Guys, watch your left side.
You're the one who got me in the head.
Right, left. Yep.
Here's the puncher.
Did I not get him yet? I got him.
Here, put your gun this way.
I don't go run back and run for it.
Stay right on me. We're going to go up against this wall right here. This wall right here. Sit. 1, 2, 3.
I got no bullets, bro.
Move up, move up. We're down the second story.
Oh, watch out.
Hey, give me cover.
Huh?
Cover.
Huh? First window on the left.
Yeah, first window on the left. Far side. Yep.
Where is he?
I think that's yellow.
Is that yellow? Should we go way left?
Shoot this guy. Shoot.
I don't know.
We'll give away the position. Hey. Huh? Not careful.
Car coming!
Oh, dude.
Well, we got two right here.
I don't know, whatever.
You left! Watch your left!
That was a good one, man. I was chasing you all the way here.